Escape to your private lakeside paradise at Edgewater on Lake Tillery, a community of waterfront and inland home sites in the tranquil setting of Norwood, North Carolina. This destination community features dockable waterfront home sites, along with water view properties, many with walkout basements designed to maximize your enjoyment of Lake Tillery's sparkling waters. Enjoy community boat access and storage, ensuring everyone can experience the best of lakeside living. Existing amenities include a clubhouse and swimming pool, creating a resort-like atmosphere, perfect for relaxing after days spent boating or fishing. Edgewater's convenient midpoint location between nearby metro areas like Charlotte, Greensboro, and Winston-Salem make it an ideal location for travel. Come discover why Edgewater on Lake Tillery offers more than just a home. It's a waterfront lifestyle you'll cherish for years to come.